Hey, this is Tyler. I wanted to make this video for you and just give you a couple tips to start implementing right away in order to outrank your competition online and really start bringing in jobs for your business. So I have your Facebook page pulled up here, and I mean, it looks like you guys do some really great work, and the logo is awesome, I gotta say. So I want to just give you a couple tips here, and we're going to go throughout, check out your content, check out some of the competition, and figure out, where we may be, missing out. So I'm going to come over here to your website. And the first thing that I noticed as I was scrolling down is that there wasn't a lot of content, right? You got some great pictures going on and a couple other features on the website, but not a ton of content. When it comes to Google, content is king. They like to see anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 words on the home page. All right, and really what that content's going to allow you to do is rank for specific keywords in Google that people are typing in all the time to find services that you offer. Now, if I come over here to a tool I utilize called Ahrefs, I'm going to pull up your website and we're going to look at the metrics here. And as we can see, you're ranking currently for 16 keywords. All right. And if we click on these, we can see, which ones, are working. And then we'll look at some competitors and figure out again, what we're missing out on. But we see here gutter repair Kansas City. That's definitely a good one. It's bringing in 70 searches a month. A couple other nice ones here: Kansas City gutters, 40 searches. Gutter guards Kansas City, 40 searches. So really, you can tell I'm kind of looking for the ones that have the location and the service in one, right? Because that's what customers are looking for. Anything generic, people might just be browsing and they're not ready for that buy stage, right? So we want to focus on those buyer intent keywords. Those are the ones that are going to be calling you and booking right away. So I'm going to come back here to the overview, and then we're going to check out a Google search. We're going to type in gutters Kansas City, and we're going to skip the ads. We're going to skip the map pack for now, and we're going to head down to the first result here. Now we have allamericankc.com. And, right away we have a nice, big header here, which is good. And they do have a click to call button. So that's a nice feature that you definitely want to add. They have their menu here, easy to navigate there. But then as we scroll down, I mean, there's definitely not a lot of content. You guys might even have a little bit more. So right then and there, that shows you that, you can definitely get ahead of these guys. The first result on Google, all right, just by adding in content. Okay, so if you focus on the right content and get more of it, you're definitely going to beat out the competition, and it's going to help you rank better. All right, now if I come over here to Ahrefs and pull up their report, we're going to see they're ranking for 56 keywords. Okay, and you can see the traffic they're bringing in. One of the first ones is gutters Kansas City. Okay, that was one that we didn't see on yours. So that's bringing in 90 searches a month. And then we see Kansas City gutters, gutter repair, gutter installation, gutter company. So we see a couple different ones, right? But they have to do with Kansas City, obviously, so that's what we're looking for. And if you add these up, I mean, there's quite a bit of search volume, for the gutter installation, gutter repair, etc. So you can see they're bringing in some traffic for a couple of these keywords, and it's because they're in the first, second, sixth, fourth, sixth spot, right, in Google. So they're up there, and that's why they're bringing in the traffic. So we definitely want to create our content around some of those buyer intent keywords. That way we're, getting found on Google for them. Now, content's number one, but number two are backlinks. A backlink is really just a link from one site to another, and it passes power and trust to your site. It legitimizes it, right? And then it allows Google to rank you accordingly. So Google focuses on content and backlinks and a million other factors, but content and backlinks are definitely two of the top ones. So we want to go into these backlinks of our competitors and figure out how to beat them out by getting higher quality ones, right? So we want higher quality content and then higher quality backlinks as well. All right. Now, the third thing I wanted to mention were citations. And a citation is just your name, address, and phone number. You want to list those in business directories online, such as Yellow Pages, right? And that's going to get your business name out there, and it's going to help Google push you up in the map pack section. So not only do we want to be found in the organic section where they list, the websites, we want to be found in the map pack section. Now, it doesn't look like you have a Google listing, or at least I'm not finding it when I'm typing in your business name here. So we definitely want to create one. So I'm going to head back here. Right, when we typed in gutters Kansas City, we saw the ad section, And then we saw the map pack section right above that organic area. Okay, so we want to put our Google listing up on the Google, so it's another opportunity for us to be found. Okay, and it's going to allow people to see that you have a website. It's going to see your phone number, your hours, your Google reviews, all that, right? And I mean, if you think about it, when people type in anything, even like pizza place nearby, they come to the map pack section because it's right there, right? You can see the reviews, you can see the phone number, the website, the directions, all of it. Okay, so this is a pretty powerful tool and it's free, right? So definitely create your listing. And I'll give you a couple of tips as to what to do when you do. All right, so we'll hit the first one here. And just kind of like we compared websites, we can compare Google listings and really beat them out by content, pictures, reviews, all that. So these guys got 22 reviews. You can definitely beat that out, right? And then as we come down, I mean, these guys don't even have a description or photos or anything. So these guys are doing something right. It could be the citations, and we're not seeing those, obviously. We'd have to do a little bit more digging for that. But we want to beat out their number of citations. We want to optimize this listing as much as possible with the description, photos, utilizing keywords, all that. I'm going to see if there's another one. Let's try seamless guttering in Kansas City. Okay, this is just showing the location picture. So, I mean, even the top two results here, you can certainly beat out. Let's see, Gutter Cover Kansas City. They've got some products listed. There we go. They got some pictures, and then they've got a description. So this is a little bit, more full, right? A little bit more optimized. So we definitely want to make sure that it resembles something close to this, right? And I know what you're thinking, right? They're down here, and there's other two that weren't optimized are up top. Well, it could be because of the citations. It could be because of the website, right? There's a lot of factors that go into it, right? So we want to make sure that we're consistent throughout our Facebook, our Google My Listing, or my Google My Business, and our website, all of it, all right? So utilize those tips, content, backlinks, and citations, along with, setting up your Google listing and optimizing it. And you'll definitely start increasing that online presence and really getting those jobs coming to you versus the other way around. If you have any questions, feel free to reach back out. Here's my business website, leadsbylordeye.com. Phone number's in the top right corner. Again, my name's Tyler, and I'll talk to you soon.